and this retails for like less than 100 rupees. You can see इसका मिस कितना फाइन है and I wasted 3 pumps. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm back with another episode of the monthly favorite series. It's the 4th episode of the monthly favorite series and I'm back with some product recommendations of the products that I've tried and tested and liked in the month of May. Before getting into today's video, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I post twice every week and I'm sure you'll have a great time here if you like that kind of content. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so as usual I have like 6 to 7 products for this video and I have something from each category. I can say makeup, hair care, skincare, body care. So I'll start with makeup first. So the first product that I have is a setting spray from Inside Cosmetics. Now if you watched my tutorials, you must have noticed that I was constantly using that setting spray from Sugar because I absolutely love that. It's a perfect setting spray but it is on the pricier side, so I was in search of a setting spray that works the same and costs a little less. So I thought why not to give this one a try. Inside Cosmetics is like Swiss Beauty. It's a very reasonable brand that makes good quality products. MRP of this product is 180 rupees only and मैंने ये Nykaa की वो जो Super Summer Saver sale थी उसमें मंगवाया था तो it retailed even less than that. I've used this enough to know that it's a decent setting spray. Firstly, it's super refreshing and it smells like roses. Now, if you have sensitive skin and आपको like fragrant products नहीं use करने, so I would suggest कि आप ये मत use करो because इसकी fragrance बहुत strong है. अच्छी तो है but बहुत strong fragrance है इसकी. It felt like I was spritzing rose water on my face and it felt very refreshing. And at the same time, it melted my makeup just like I want a setting spray to work. इसका जो mist है ना वो भी बहुत fine है. Mostly मेरे साथ तो यही होता है कि जब मैं setting sprays मंगवाती हूँ तो पता नहीं मेरी किस्मत खराब है क्या, मैं जब भी जिस भी ब्रांड का मंगवाती हूँ हमेशा उसके पंप में कुछ ना कुछ दिक्कत होती है, उसका मिस्ट फाइन नहीं होता. बट दिस वन हैज़ अ वेरी फाइन मिस्ट. यू कैन सी इसका मिस्ट कितना फाइन है एंड आई वेस्टेड 3 पम्प्स. इसका मिस्ट बहुत फाइन है, सो इट स्प्रेड्स इवनली ऑन योर फेस एंड डज द जॉब परफेक्टली. So for the price that you are paying, this is a wonderful setting spray. So if you are looking for a new one, you can try this product. Next, I have another product recommendation from Inside Cosmetics only, and this is their काजल. Now ये जो आपको smoky eyes अभी मेरे eyes पे दिख रही है वो मैंने इसी काजल से करी है and नीचे भी मैंने यही लगाया हुआ है. When I applied this on my lid for the first time, it literally glided like butter, even though it says it's smudge proof. मैंने इसको smudge किया for the smoky eyes, यानी हो गया था उस time smudge proof काजल से आप smoky eyes कर सकते हो. बट द थिंग इज कि जब आप उसको लगाओ उसी टाइम आप उसको स्मच कर दो तो वो हो जाएगा एंड आफ्टर फ्यू सेकंड्स अगर ये ड्राई हो गया तो उसके बाद इट वोंट स्मच. मतलब जब मैं सेकंड आई पे कर रही थी तो मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइक 1-2 मिनट लग गए लगाने के बाद ब्रश ढूंढ के उसको स्मच करने में एंड वो वहीं पे थोड़ा अटक गया था तो वहाँ मुझे दिक्कत हुई थी. तो इट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट कि ये एक्चुअली स्मच प्रूफ है एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर लाइक less than 100 rupees. मैं प्राइस तो भूल गई. I'll leave it on the screen. For the price point again you're getting a very good product. So अगर आपको एक नया काजल ट्राई करना है you can go for this one. Next product that I have is a concealer and it's from Swiss Beauty. Now again this is not a new product for me. मैंने Swiss Beauty का यही वाला कंसीलर यूज किया हुआ है. मैं इसका बहुत लाइट शेड यूज करती थी. This concealer is very good for the price point. इसका प्राइस like around 200 to 30 के बीच में इतना कुछ था इसका प्राइस. बट एक इसमें कौन था कि इसके शेड्स बहुत लाइट हैं तो मैंने तो सिर्फ एक शेड जो मैं यूज करती थी that was 02 and I used it to like kind of highlight my eyes only. I did not use this concealer for the purpose of concealing. तो मैंने लाइट शेड ही यूज किया था. बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर अ बजट फ्रेंडली कंसीलर दैट परफॉर्म्स एज गुड एज दिस वन एंड डार्क सर्कल्स भी हाइड करे वो. आई थॉट कि मैं इसी को एक शॉट दे देती हूँ. सो आई ऑर्डर द डार्केस्ट शेड ऑफ दिस विच इज 05 एंड दिस इज नॉट वेरी डार्क बट एज कम्पेयर टू 02 इट्स डार्क ऑफ कोर्स. दिस इज द swatch of 05 and I'll show you the swatch of 02 too. And this is the swatch of 02. 02 I used to use for highlighting and 05 now I use for my dark circles and trust me इसकी consistency इतनी अच्छी है like very lightweight, बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे thick नहीं है, blend करने में problem नहीं होती एंड इट्स फुल कवरेज, मतलब इस थोड़ा सा लगा के इससे डार्क सर्कल्स कम्प्लीटली मेरे छुप जाते हैं। मुझे लाइक इसके अलावा और कुछ उसके ऊपर लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। आई जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई दिस कंसीलर and for some reason this also has like some brightening effect also, despite of the fact कि ये dark circles conceal कर देता है, ये थोड़ा bright भी कर देता है under eyes को। Just have to apply this and set it with the loose powder and I'm good to go. So if you are looking for a decent concealer for your dark circles, I would suggest इसका 05 आप try करो। आपको ये देखने में थोड़ा light लगेगा but it would work fine. Alright, next up I have a sunscreen to recommend to you guys. मेरी पिछली monthly favorite में भी एक sunscreen थी and इस बार भी है because I am always in a hunt of a decent sunscreen that like fits all the check boxes that I want and is also under 500. This time I tried the one from Requil, if that's how you pronounce the name, I'm not sure. It's the oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen, SPF 50 PA+++, and I've been using this for 2 weeks now and मुझे इससे like literally कोई complaint नहीं है। Last month मैंने Aqualogica की sunscreen के बारे में बात करी थी। That sunscreen had moisturizing property as well, but this sunscreen doesn't have it and that's okay. I'm not even expecting it to have moisturizing properties. This is slightly thicker than that, but at the same time this absorbs into your skin quickly, doesn't leave any white cast and मुझे इसको लगा के बिल्कुल भी oily greasy नहीं feel होता। And this retails for 460 if I'm not wrong, the 50 gram tube for 460, but again मैंने सेल में इसको कुछ डिस्काउंट पे मंगवाया था, so it costed me like 300 something. It's a decent sunscreen, so if you're looking for a new one you can try this one. Please add sunscreen to your skincare routine. I mostly get excuses like बहुत white cast छोड़ देती है, बहुत thick होती है, oily feel होता है, ये वो. That is why I am always hunting good sunscreens for you guys. So वो आप मेरे पे छोड़ दो, but make sure to apply sunscreen. Alright, the next thing that I have is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub. Now this is not a new launch in the market. This has been since quite some time now, but मैंने इसको अभी use किया है. Ever since this product launched, I was like very intrigued by it. This is a free sample. मैंने इसको कभी order नहीं किया because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि like it falls on the pricier side, so maybe it's not worth it. But they sent me a free sample with some of their products that I ordered, so I got to try it and I did and I like this product. Few days ago it was like super rainy. Whenever it's rainy my hair starts behaving very weirdly. They just get a mind of their own and बहुत ज़्यादा ना itchy scalp हो रहा था, hair dry हो रहे थे and like बहुत ज़्यादा greasy और itchy scalp हो रहा था. So I thought कि maybe like scalp पे बहुत ज़्यादा build up हो गया होगा because of the humidity, so I should just try the scrub out. And I used this scrub. The feel of scrubbing the scalp felt very satisfying. जैसे हमको physical exfoliants face पे use करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जैसे like वो satisfying feel आते हैं कि actually clean हो रहा है, वो scalp पे भी feel हो रहा था. एक दिक्कत हो रही थी कि वो scrub के particles है वो nails में बहुत अड़ रहे थे, थोड़ा remove करना मुश्किल हो गया था, but it did leave a good impact on my hair and अब इसको मैंने completely ख़त्म कर दिया है. ये लगता बहुत ज़्यादा, ये like literally मेरे 2 uses में ख़त्म हो गया क्योंकि ये free sample था. So maybe I'll buy full size of it, but you do not necessarily need this in your hair care routine. It's like a feel good product, so if you want to, it works really well, you can go for it, otherwise it's okay. While we are at hair care, I have another hair care product and that's a shampoo and it's the Plum Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo. So again, it's a free sample. I did not order the full size of it. I got it free with some Plum products that I ordered. पिछले point में मैंने शायद बोला था कि मेरे hair कभी dry, कभी oily. My hair type and my skin type is not fixed. Sometimes both of them are super dry. Sometimes both of them are super oily. So there was a phase when my hair was super dry. So I gave this one a shot, and because it is for dry hair, it is actually a very hydrating shampoo. अगर आपका oily scalp है, oily hair है, तो I would suggest कि आप ये use मत करना because इससे आपका oil नहीं निकलेगा. This is meant to provide hydration to your hair and not to leave your hair with that squeaky clean feel. If you have like super dry scalp, then you can go for this one. Okay, so we are down to the last 2 products of this video. The last 2 products are related to body care. The first one is the Lux body wash. Whenever my body wash gets over, I always try to find new ones. मैं बहुत rarely repeat करती हूँ, अगर मुझे अच्छा लगता है फिर भी I do not go back to that one because I want to keep trying new body washes in order to suggest them in my videos. So this time I went for this one. It's the Black Orchid Scent and Juniper Oil. Like when I saw this, I was very intrigued by the packaging and by the color of it. It's purple in color. and it just felt like I should try this one despite of the fact कि मुझे नहीं पता था इसकी fragrance कैसी होगी. That plus the price point of it retailed for ₹99 and again मुझे ये discount पे मिला था, so it was decently priced, so I thought I should try this one. अभी मैंने इसको ज़्यादा बार use नहीं किया, I've used it 2 to 3 times, but every time I've used it I have felt that रिच फील ऑफ इट. इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिच एंड लग्जूरियस है. इवन दो इट्स अ फ्लोरल वेरिएंट, इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लोरल नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी यूनिक फ्रेग्रेंस. यू नीड टू ट्राई इट फॉर योरसेल्फ इन ऑर्डर टू नो हाउ दिस स्मेल्स. दिस इज अ पैराबेन फ्री बॉडी वॉश एंड इसकी बॉटल भी 100% रिसाइक्लेबल है, सो दैट्स गुड. एंड इट गिव्स like 245 ml product for less than ₹100, so that's a plus point too, so you can definitely try this one. Okay, the last product may not be useful for all of you, but since I've tried and tested it out in the month of Faith, this deserves a space in this video, and I'm talking about the Sirona Hygienic Menstrual Cup Wash. I guess I mentioned it in my March monthly favorites that I've started using menstrual cups, and I've been using those ever since. And I promise that I will make a dedicated video about menstrual cups once I'm like completely familiar with it and like completely comfortable with it, and एक बार मुझे इसकी पूरी knowledge हो जाए, use करके experience हो जाए अच्छे से, only then will I come up on this platform to like preach about it. And I am still undergoing that phase. Like abhi it's been 3 months, I'm still learning, so I'll wait for 1 or 2 more cycles before coming up and preaching about it. But I was not using a menstrual cup wash before this. I used to wash it with my normal soap, and this time I decided to use this one because मेरे को जब मैं soap से उसको wash कर तो रही थी, but I always had that thought in the back of my mind कि I should not wash this with a regular soap. इसके लिए मुझे एक अलग से like a product that's meant for it, I should use that, because I won't use that regular soap directly down there to wash it, so I should not wash that cup also with that. So I decided to order this one, and this has rose scent in it, and it just kind of makes that experience a little bearable because of the fragrance. The consistency of this is lighter than a regular soap. I don't know if scientifically that makes a difference or not, but it actually felt like it is different from, you know, regular soaps or regular washes. Down there the pH level is different from that of a regular soap, so that can cause an imbalance, but this is meant for the cup itself, so it won't cause that problem as well. So if you are someone who is using menstrual cups, make sure that you are using a separate wash for that. Probably after next month I will make a dedicated video about a menstrual cup, and अगर आपको कुछ questions हो उससे related तो आप इस video के comment section में भी छोड़ सकते हो. Otherwise before shooting it I will leave a poll on my Instagram as well, so maybe at that time if you have some questions you can send all those questions to me. I'll happily answer those. Alright, so that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked these recommendations. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon right next to it. मैं हमेशा bell icon का बोलना भूल जाती हूँ, but please hit that as well so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And that was it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.